Amtrak Guest Rewards Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? If you travel frequently by train or want to start earning rewards every time you ride, the Amtrak Guest Rewards Card has been gaining attention in 2025. But with so many credit cards promising travel perks, you might be asking, is this card truly worth it, or should you leave it? In this review, we'll break down the Amtrak Guest Rewards Card's benefits, rewards structure, fees, and real-world value, so you can decide whether it fits your lifestyle and travel goals. Let's start with the basics. The Amtrak Guest Rewards Card is designed for people who love train travel and want to turn every trip into points they can use for future travel. This card is issued by a major bank and integrates directly with Amtrak's Guest Rewards program, allowing cardholders to earn points not just on train tickets, but on everyday purchases as well. The reward structure is one of the most appealing features. For Amtrak purchases, cardholders typically earn 3 points per dollar meaning every $100 ticket earns 300 points. For other categories, such as dining, gas, or general purchases, the card often earns 1 to 2 points per dollar depending on the type of expense. While these rates may not compete with premium travel cards like those from Chase or American Express, the targeted rewards for train travel make it highly valuable for Amtrak riders. One of the most common mistakes people make is underestimating how quickly Amtrak points can accumulate. For example, if you take a round trip from New York to Washington, D.C., which costs around $120, you would earn 360 points. If you take just 4 such trips per year, that's already 1,440 points, enough to cover a short distance award ticket on some routes. Combine this with everyday spending on groceries, gas, and dining, and you can accelerate your points accumulation significantly over time. Redemption is straightforward. Points can be used for Amtrak travel upgrades, and in some cases, hotel stays and car rentals. The key advantage here is that points are flexible within the Amtrak ecosystem, allowing you to save on the costs of future trips. Unlike general travel cards, which may require complex transfer programs to maximize value, Amtrak points can be applied directly to the rides you want to take, often making your redemption experience smoother and more predictable. Another strong feature is sign-up bonuses. Many 2025 offers include a welcome bonus that ranges from 10,000 to 25,000 points if you spend a specified amount in the first 3 months. This can cover a round-trip ticket for many regional routes, essentially giving you a free ride for just a few weeks of targeted spending. The catch is that you need to plan your spending to meet the minimum requirement, but for frequent travelers, this is usually achievable. Now, let's talk about fees and APRA. The Amtrak Guest Rewards Card generally has a modest annual fee, sometimes waived for the first year, making it accessible even for casual travelers. Interest rates are competitive with other travel credit cards, but like any credit card, carrying a balance will accrue interest, so it's best to pay off the card in full each month to maximize rewards. The card also comes with a number of travel protections, including purchase protection, extended warranties, and sometimes trip delay insurance. While not as comprehensive as premium travel cards, these protections add extra value, especially for travelers who want some peace of mind without paying an exorbitant annual fee. If you're frequent Amtrak traveler the card offers the additional perk of automatic status upgrades within the Amtrak Guest Rewards program. This can mean early boarding, preferred seating, or discounts on certain tickets. Even small perks like these enhance the overall value of the card, especially during peak travel periods when trains can be crowded. It's important to consider the real-world value of points. While Amtrak points are highly useful for their intended purpose, they are not as flexible as general travel points like those from Chase Ultimate Rewards or American Express membership rewards. You cannot use Amtrak points for flights or non-Amtrak travel outside the limited hotel or car rental partnerships. So if you rarely ride trains, the card may not offer enough value to justify keeping it. Let's walk through an example. Imagine you spend $1,500 per month on groceries, gas, dining, and other regular expenses, and $500 annually on Amtrak tickets. Here's how the points might add up. Amtrak tickets, 3 points per $500 equals 1,500 points. Other spending, 1 point per dollar, 18,000 equals 18,000 points. This totals 19,500 points in a year. If a typical short-haul Amtrak ticket costs 6,000-7,500 points, you could redeem multiple trips annually, potentially saving hundreds of dollars. For a train enthusiast, this is significant, and it turns everyday spending into travel opportunities. The *** application process ** is standard for a travel credit card. Lenders look for good to excellent credit scores, consistent income, and a solid credit history. Existing TD, Bank of America, or similar banking relationships may improve approval odds. Once approved, the card is activated quickly, and your points are automatically linked to your Amtrak Guest Rewards account. Now let's discuss ** pros and cons ** in a nutshell. **pros: high rewards rate on Amtrak purchases, 3 points per dollar, flexible redemption for train travel, upgrades, and select partners. Sign-up bonus can cover free short trips, travel protections, and purchase security. Possible status perks within Amtrak Guest Rewards. Annual fee is modest, often waived the first year. Cons: limited value outside of Amtrak. Travel rewards are less flexible than general travel cards, not ideal for those who rarely ride trains. Moderate APRA if balances are carried. For someone who travels frequently on Amtrak, the card is ** worth it. It turns everyday spending into points that directly save money on future trips, provides useful perks, and simplifies rewards tracking. On the other hand, if you rarely travel by train or prefer points that can be transferred to multiple airlines and hotels, the card may not offer enough value to justify an annual fee or the opportunity cost of focusing your spending elsewhere. Another important consideration is ** how this card compares to other travel-focused cards in 2025 **. For example, a general travel rewards card might offer 2% back on all purchases and flexible redemption for flights and hotels. However, for dedicated Amtrak travelers, the 3 points per dollar specifically for train travel usually outweighs the broader flexibility of generic travel rewards, because those points can save real money on tickets you are already planning to purchase. Security features also deserve a mention. The card comes with ** zero liability for unauthorized transactions, ** EMV chip protection, and 24/7 customer support. This makes it not only a rewards tool, but also a secure way to manage travel expenses. Finally, consider integration with ** other Amtrak perks **. Some Amtrak Guest Rewards members who hold this card find they can combine points with promotions, seasonal offers, or partner discounts, further stretching the value of every dollar spent. For example, during a limited time promotion, points may be worth more for certain routes, allowing savvy travelers to maximize redemptions. In conclusion, the ** Amtrak Guest Rewards card in 2025 is a highly specialized, valuable tool for those who frequently travel by train **. Its high earning potential on Amtrak purchases, combined with sign-up bonuses, travel protections, and modest fees, makes it a strong choice for the target audience. The surprising truth is that for niche travel enthusiasts, a specialized card like this can provide more tangible benefits than a general travel rewards card, turning everyday purchases into real travel experiences. For most Amtrak riders, this card is ** worth it, particularly if you plan to make multiple trips annually and want a straightforward way to accumulate points. If you rarely ride trains or prefer multi-purpose travel points, it may be better to explore other credit card options. Either way, understanding how to leverage its rewards fully can transform your travel budgeting and maximize the benefits of every journey.